We have chicks in our class. They're so cute and fluffy. There's one girl chick called Omelette. The rest are boys. They don't have names. They hatched out of their eggs 1 week ago. They've grown really fast. We clean their cage every day. We have to be really careful with them.
Okay, now where do we just put that down? Yeah, wait, we'll let it. Here's one. And you'll put that.
We make it nice and clean and cozy for them.
You put the chicks back in. Wait, no, just wait. We've got to put everything in. No, that's scared of something. We got to. One just ate the poo. Okay, now we shut that.
The light in the cage helps keep them warm.
Okay, now just a little snack.
They love snack time. They have a special food that helps them grow. They'll go to their new home soon. We love the chicks.